praise him. That verse 4 is a call to worship. And verses 3 and 5 give us the motivation about which God should be praised. See, saints, in ancient times, the Jews would sing the first hymn as they approached the temple. Did y'all hear what I just said? They didn't wait till the choir got in the choir stand. They didn't wait till the worship leader took his or her position behind the pulpit. They didn't wait until they had music. They didn't wait until they got into the church before they start singing God's praise. But they sang God's praises from the parking lot all the way to the door. The first many hymn was sung while they were on their way into the church. But the second saints was sung in the worship experience itself. And saints, once they got into the house of God, once the official worship service began, the ancient Jews thanked God, Reverend Wright, with exuberant joy for all of his saving acts. And they thought they was thanking God